Found this poor little guy. He was over there in the water over there. Apparently he had fallen up from a nest above that really tall tree and he was about to drown. I got him. Poor little guy. He had a brother too, but I think the brother went in the water but he flew off. I think this little guy was trying to fly but didn't know how to yet. Poor little guy. Because I was literally just fishing over here and I saw something drop. I saw it moving. Then I saw it had wings, so it was a baby bird. Poor little guy. I'm gonna dry him off and get him nice and dry. See if he's okay.